In this tutorial, you'll learn how to animate a signature-style text with natural handwritten motion. Also, I will show you how you can use this and make a postcard animation in After Effects. By the way, you can download this project file by the link in the description below. And before moving forward, I'd like to inform you that now you can watch my videos in different languages, so I recommend you to watch this video in your native language for better understand. Alright, let's start the video. Alright, let's create a new composition, give it a name whatever you want, and I'm using full HD resolution at 30 frames per second. So first, I am going to use a text tool to create a text, and then I align this text to the center of this composition. For your reference, I'm using this font. This font is best for this kind of signature text animation. Next, I'm going to convert this text layer into a shape layer. To do this, first I select the text layer, then right-click, then go to Create, and then I choose Create Shapes from Text option, so it will create a new layer, which is a shape layer. And now we can delete our text layer. Right now, if I open the shape layer properties, so we can see that this one single shape layer contains all the letters, and we need a separate shape layer for each letter. Let me show you how you can do this. First, select the layer, and I am renaming this as N letter, and then I duplicate it and rename one by one like this. Then I open one of the layers and go under the properties, and then I select all the letters except T, because this is a T-shape layer, and then delete rest of the letters. So we got a T letter shape in this shape layer. And then I repeat this process with rest of the layers to separate them. We did this process because this way we can animate each letter separately. Let's animate letter N first. So I select N letter layer, and then I solo this. Also, I lock this layer as well. Then I select the pen tool, make sure fill is off, and stroke is on. And then I start making a line over this letter. I am making line just like natural writing. Once you've done this process, let's rename this layer as N Reveal. Then I search a cap to reveal the cap options. And here I change but cap to round cap to smooth out the edges of these lines. After that, I close these properties, and now I'm going to add a trim path into this layer. Open the trim path properties and add a keyframe on the end value. Then I change the value to 0. Then I go to the 1 second mark and change the value to 100%, so you will get this kind of animation. Then I select the first keyframe and change it to Bezier keyframe for smooth animation. Then to make a natural handwriting motion, just drag the time indicator like this, and at this point I add one more keyframe. Then I double-click on this point to open this pop-up box, and then I check this box and click OK. This action joined this point together, and now we can move as per our requirement. Now I change the graph editor like this. So this will give us natural writing effect. Then I close the graph editor, and then I move the N Reveal layer and place it above the N letter layer. Also, I unlock the layer as well, and then I select the N layer, and then I change its track matte to N Reveal layer. If you can't find track matte options, so just click this toggle switches to see these options. Now you can see how our letter is revealed. But as you can see here, we got some problems. Like at this place, you can see the odd edges of strokes, but we can fix it. First, select both layers and pre-compose them. Name it N, then check this box and click OK. And after that, I solo this layer and then zoom it a little bit. Now select the pen tool and then create a mask on this layer. Like this. Then open the mask property and change mask mode to subtract. And this way, we can hide this uneven edges from the letters. I repeat this process a couple of times until I cover all of the uneven edges of this letter. But the problem isn't solved yet, because if I scrub the timeline so you can see, we got another problem. When the last stroke comes in, we got a blank space over the letter. Let me show you how to fix this. First, select all the mask property and reveal its mask path. And then I add keyframes. Then I go one frame forward and I change the mask position like this. And make sure you add a keyframe to all mask path, even you did not move. Now I go forward a one frame once again and then change the last mask position like this. And now if I play the preview, you can see our problem is solved. And the N letter reveals itself very nicely and it looks so natural. So as you can understand how to animate a signature letter with the natural movements and how to avoid uneven edges on the letters. So now I'm going to repeat this process with the rest of the letters and then I come back to you and then I will show you how you can create a postcard animation with this signature animation. Alright, so here you can see I animated each letter one by one. Also, I pre-compose them as well. Then I place it like this. So it will reveal one by one, like a natural handwritten signature. Now let's move forward. First, I select all the layers and pre-compose them. Name it as a text animation. Check this box and click OK. After that, I'm going to create a new composition by clicking this icon, and then I name this comp to postcard, and I set the duration to 9 seconds. Then I'm going to import our postcard image and add it to our timeline. As you can see, it's a very large image. So I go to the transform and choose Fit to Comp Width option. This way it will fit perfectly to the composition. And then I'm going to import a stamp image. And then I add it to the timeline and place it above the postcard layer. Let's resize it and place it like this. Also, I change its mode to pin light, so it will blend with the postcard image nicely. After that, I select Text tool and write something on this postcard. It's just for example. And for this, I am using this font to get an old school look. Then I duplicate this layer a couple of times and place it on different places. And it's time to add a seal in this postcard. So let's import a sealed image into After Effects. And then I add it to our timeline. It's very large, so I scale down a bit. And then I reposition it like this. And also I add a color key effect on this layer. Then using color key, I choose the white color because I want to remove the background of this seal. Also, I increase the color tolerance to remove the white edges from this seal image. After that, I add fill effect on this layer and I change the color of this seal something like dark blue. Now once again, I select the text tool and write a random name on this postcard image. And also I choose a different font for this. It's also a signature style font. And then I'm going to import our text animation composition into our timeline. I place it above all the layers. Right now it's a white colored, so I add a fill effect on this layer. Then I change the fill color to dark blue or black. And then I scale down a bit and place it here. And then I rotate a bit to get a random look. Also, I change its mode to pin light to blend with background. Now it's time to animate this scene. So for this, I select all the layers and make it as a 3D layer by clicking this icon. And then I'm going to add a new camera in this composition. Now, open its transform properties and then go to the 3rd second mark and then add keyframes. Then I go to the 1st frame and add a keyframe. Then I go back to the 3-second mark, and here you can change the position as well as the point of interest manually. And it's up to you how you want. So I change it manually like this. Then I select all the keyframes and change it to Bezier keyframe. Then I go to the graph editor and change the graph like this. After that, I select the text animation layer and move it forward a bit, so we will get this kind of look. After that, scrub the timeline where the animation is finished, then adds keyframes here. Then go forward a bit and copy first set of keyframes and paste it here. So it will settle down to its original position. So that's how you can create a natural, handwritten signature animation and a postcard animation in After Effects. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.